Hello guys, and today I want to show you how to enable and disable theater mode on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that, we just need to use this side button, which is responsible for triggering the control center. Here is it, and now you can see this two masks icon, which is for the cinema mode. If you tap it once, it will become orange and will be enabled like that. And you can see how it silences my phone as well. That is because this mode turns on silent mode and keeps the screen dark until you tap on the screen or press the digital crown or the side button. It also changes your walkie-talkie status to unavailable. So let's just exit the control center, and here right on your watch face you can see this icon with two masks as well for the cinema mode, and that means that it is enabled. And to disable it, you just need to simply trigger the control center again and tap this icon once more, and here you can see that it is disabled now. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.